Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you that how you can download and install Google Chrome on your laptop. So to install Chrome browser, you need at least one browser. Windows comes by default with Microsoft Edge, so go to Start menu and search Microsoft Edge and open the default browser. Type Google Chrome and press enter. The official website will be visible here. Click on it and click on download Chrome. Now again click on download Chrome. Click accept and install. Wait for this to download. Now open the downloaded file and click yes. After successful installation, go to search menu and type Google Chrome. Right click and click on Pin to taskbar. Now close this window and open Chrome browser. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thanks for your time.